It's NZ Boy. Hello guys, it's me again, NZ Boy Jure. So ngayon guys is maglalaro kami ngayon ng Poison Candy. So ngayon magpipick kami ng magtuturo kami, tapos di ba nga basta malalaman niyo na mamaya. Let's do it. Okay.
Oh my God. Close your eyes. Okay. My turn. Close your eyes. Don't cheat, guys. I'm gonna punch your face. Okay, next. Last. Kuya, tama.
So, si Lanso, ang daya. Okay. Okay, good.
Okay, let's go. You're gonna eat first.
Okay.
Save.
Save. Where? Oh.
Ang hirap.
Save. Save. Ano?
Tape.
Save. Save. What? My God.
Poison.
Loser. Okay.
And the winner is me. And
No.
the loser is this one and this one.
My portion right here. This is my portion.
Ikaw, love, anong poison mo yung kinain niya dito? Yung kinain niya dito?
Anong kinain niya?
Yung kinain ni Lance dito?
Hindi. Ang akin niya nandito.
Ay, parehas tayo! Parehas tayo! Gagi. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye guys!